Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to be trying out the Benefit Cosmetics California Kissin Moisturizing Lip Balm. The California Kissin ColorBalm, and I got this in the shade Cherry in my September 2022 boxycharm premium box, and I was so excited to get this in my box because many reasons. I love the brand Benefit. Some of my favorite all-time makeup products are from Benefit Cosmetics, and I rarely ever see it in beauty subscriptions, so this was very exciting to see. It retails for $21, which for a lip balm is super expensive, but I love lip balms, especially tinted or colored lip balms. And I have to say, this comes in a surprising amount of colors. It comes in so many different colors. But this has nourishing ingredients in it. It's got hyaluronic acid, mango butter, and my lips are just like embarrassingly chapped today. I just feel like they are so uncomfortable. They're flaky and I don't like the look of them, but this could make it all better. Of course, as you can see, the packaging on this is so cute. And then the actual like product packaging itself is also adorable. It's like flower shaped and it looks like a bright red, like a true cherry red. So yeah, it has this floral smell, I would say. It actually kind of smells like rose. It smells really nice. Definitely a unique smell for a lip balm, but I like it. So now before I apply it to my lips, let's do a swatch. Oh my gosh. This might as well be a lipstick. That is so pigmented, and on my lips this is going to look like an opaque color. I was not expecting that. Okay, wow. It looks like a really pretty shade of red, but maybe not the easiest to wear. Let's go ahead though and see how it is on my lips. Yeah, this is going to be bold. I definitely think I need a lip liner with this because, especially with red lipsticks, it's just so obvious when the edges are not completely crisp. And with this kind of like rounded, lip balm type of application, it's a little jagged on the edge, especially at the top there. And that's a little tedious to have to put on lip liner before a lip balm. But I feel like I have to think of this as more just like a lipstick now instead of a lip balm. And yeah, it is a bold red. Not a shade that I find myself wearing very often. And I'm not sure like I love this shade of red on me. I just don't feel very comfortable in it. The formula is comfortable though. Let's see how moisturizing it is. It really does feel like a lip balm in terms of how moisturizing it is. And the chapped areas on my lips are smoothed out. The pigment isn't clinging to the dry patches. Wow, it's just so fully pigmented and bright. And it has a little bit of sheen. So it is a really pretty lipstick formula, but I'm sure there's going to be a lot of transfer. Let's see. Oh my gosh. That is so much transfer. That made it fade a lot already. And I just am not a fan of transfer lip products that are going to be a mess, not last long. So this is definitely different than what I was expecting. And unfortunately, it's just not my preference in lip products. The color, the transfer, it's a nice lipstick, a moisturizing one if that's what you're looking for, but I just know that's not something that I'm ever looking for. I mean, with a lip liner on, it'd be pretty quick and easy to touch up at least. Especially, I'm impressed with how moisturizing it is because my lips were so dry and uncomfortable, and this really did smooth over the lips, hydrate with that shine. It makes them look very moisturized. So I actually would really like this, but maybe in a different color, more like a sheer color, because the formula is really nice in terms of like lip balm formula. But so if you have tried this out in any other shades, I would love to hear what you think of them. But, well, now I know what this product is actually like, and maybe if you didn't know what you were in for with this product, now you can know as well. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.